With Listen Up, we wanted to create an app that would be fun for users to play. Because let's face it, we could all use a little more fun in our lives. We also thought this would be a good way to help people improve their listening skills and pay a little closer attention to the world and sounds around them.
Hi, my name is Samuel Cox, and I'll be running through a quick demo of Listen Up. When you visit the site, you'll be given a how to play screen that will tell you how to play. And I'll run through that right now. So, first, you pick a category. We can pick machines. We'll pick easy here. And you'll be given a list of options. We'll listen to the sound here. That's a commercial plane. So, we'll go ahead and click that one right there. Next one. That's a helicopter, but I'm just going to say lawnmower here so you can see that we have our wrong answer animation. Now, if you wanted to change into night mode, you could go ahead and do that, and you would get all the same functionality. And if you want to see that the how to play screen, you would see that as well anytime you want. Now, when you're all finished up, you can go ahead and put your name on the leaderboard. I'll just put SC for my name, and we'll submit that. I am now fourth on the leaderboard. And as well, if you want to see that leaderboard, you can see it at any time by clicking this button up here in the top right. Thanks so much.
I'm Joe, pronouns he, him, on the backend team. React was chosen for the front end due to its component-based architecture, which promotes code reusability and scalability, while the virtual DOM feature optimizes performance by selectively rendering and updating components. GraphQL proved a good fit for our application since the front end can request precise data requirements, eliminating over and underfetching data and resulting in faster and more efficient data retrieval. Ruby on Rails was a suitable choice for the back end of our application due to its convention over configuration approach, which reduces the need for extensive setup and allows the developers to focus on building application logic. A limiting factor currently is that all of the sounds in the app must be hand chosen, and as the app grows, we will need to add more sounds, and it would be much faster and easier if we implemented some logic to pick random sounds from the free sound API and generate the question and wrong answers from there, potentially using some type of AI.
Hi, my name is Angie Worth. My pronouns are she, her. If we were to continue working on this project, an additional feature we would add would be for a user to create a profile so that they can go back and look at the games that they've played and compare the scores to see how they've improved over time.
Hi, I'm Zach. Pronouns are he, him. As a team, we followed an agile workflow with daily stand-ups and weekly retros. This was our first time working as a full-stack team, so the constant communication between both front end and back end was vital. Frequent communication between the teams allowed us to design our application much more efficiently. During our weekly retros, we were able to highlight what we did well over the past week and also what we could improve. The team environment was very positive and fun, and the retros helped cement that.
My name is Matt Rowan, pronouns are he, him, and I worked on the front end team. While the overall process of developing this application proceeded smoothly, we encountered a significant technical challenge that required the collaboration of both teams to develop a viable solution. Initially, our API call was configured to retrieve the entire deck of sound files upon the user selecting a category. However, during the testing phase, we identified that this approach resulted in hitting the limit of our free sound API much sooner than expected. In response, our front and back end teams worked together to develop an alternate strategy for fetching the sound files needed for gameplay. Rather than returning all 8 sound files at once, we restructured our queries and logic so that we were able to retrieve one question at a time.